Let's take a look here at number 1. 6.5 hours is how many minutes more than 5 hours? Here we'll notice our English will need to translate over to math. Here we can translate how many more as meaning to subtract. So let's subtract 5 hours from 6.5 hours as we are finding the difference between the two. Six and a half minus 5. Notice that 6 minus 5 will leave us with 1. 1.5. Our answer is A, 1.5. Great, let's take a look at number 2. Which numeral represents 24,603? Let's go ahead and write out just a few of these numbers. For example, 24,000. 24,000 can be written out as 24,000. And 603 is written out as 603. Now let's combine these together. And we get answer choice C, 24,603. Great, let's take a look at number 3 together. 2/3 plus 8/9. When adding fractions with unlike denominators, we'll need to find a common denominator first. Here we can add our note to the board. Now let's take a look at 2 ways that we can solve this. Number 1, we can use the butterfly method, where we are going to multiply three times 8. Let's write that out to the side here just above. 3 times 8 is 24. And now let's multiply 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Then we can multiply our denominators together. 3 times 9 is 27. This will give us our denominator. Let's write that, 27 as our denominator. Then we can add 18 plus 24. 18 plus 24 is 42. Now, let's divide. We can divide these by 3 as we reduce. Let's reduce this fraction. We'll divide both sides by 3. Divide the numerator by 3, and divide the denominator by 3. 42 divided by 3 is 14. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Notice this is answer choice A, 14/9. Now the other way to solve this problem is we can find common denominators. As we wrote into the board, when adding fractions with unlike denominators, we find a common denominator first. The common denominator here between 3 and 9, the lowest will be 9. Both 3 and 9 will go into 9. Let's go ahead and multiply here. We can multiply 3 times 3 is 9. Three times 2 is 6. And now 9 times 1 is 9. And 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. We'll keep the same denominators. Here we will arrive also at 14/9 as our answer. Either way will work. We can either use our butterfly method, bow tie method, or we can use our common denominator rule. We're looking for that lowest common denominator. Now let's take a look at number 4. Numbers 4 through 6 will refer to this pictograph shown right here below. Letters delivered on Mrs. Adler's mail route. Here on Mrs. Adler's mail route we have Monday with 5 little mailboxes, Tuesday with 3, and Wednesday with 4 mailboxes. Our note here is that each mailbox will represent 2 letters. The first question, number 4, is how many letters did Mrs. Adler deliver on Tuesday? Here noting that each symbol will represent 2 letters, we'll go take a look at Tuesday. Tuesday has 1, 2, 3 symbols. Each one of those will be 2, represent 2 letters. Therefore, the 3 mailbox symbols will equal 6 letters. Answer choice D is correct. Now let's try number 5. How many more letters did Mrs. Adler deliver on Monday than on Wednesday? We'll note again that each symbol represents 2 letters. On Monday, Mrs. Adler delivered 10 letters. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Two times 5 is 10, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And on Wednesday, she delivered 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 letters. 2 times 4 is 8, or 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we need to compare. We'll find the difference between 10 and 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Mrs. Adler delivered 2 more letters on Monday than on Wednesday. The answer is B, 2. And let's take a look here at number 6. How many letters did Mrs. Adler deliver on Monday and Tuesday? Again, we'll note that each symbol represents 2 letters. On Monday, Mrs. Adler delivered 10 letters. And on Tuesday, she delivered 6 letters. Therefore, she delivered a total of 10 plus 6. Let's add together 10 plus 6. This is 16 in total, or answer choice C. C is the correct answer.